R.D. Sharma, Class X MCQ Chapter 1 Real Number NCERT. Number 21. Okay, let us start. Number 21. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10, both inclusive, is. Clear? Least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. LCM of 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 2, 7, 4, 9, 5. LCM 7, 8, 9, 10 equal 2 into 7 into 4 into 9, 4 into 9 into 5. 2, 5, 10, 90, 63, 63 into 4. 2520. 2520. Answer 2520. The least number that is divisible all the number from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. The answer is 2520. Option D the right answer. Option D the right answer. Next, number 22. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal LCM of 7, 8, 9, 10. 22. The largest number which divides divided 70 and 125. 70, 125 and 125, leaving remainder 5 and 18. Leaving remainder 5 and 18. Respectively, the number is dash 65, 125 minus 8, 117. Largest number which is divided by 70, 125. Tale 65. Largest number HCF of 65, 1117 equal 65, 1117. 13, 5, answer 13. HCF of answer 13. Number A the right answer. The largest number which is divided 70 and 125, leaving remainder 5 and 8 respectively. The number is 13. Next, 23. Two Q into 3, 2 into 3 into 5, C equal 3 to the power n into 5. LCM ABC equal 2Q 3 square 5. N equal dash. 3, 1, 3 to the power 2, n equal 2. LCM is 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2. Find the value of n equal to 2, n equal 2. Answer B the right answer. Greatest power is LCM, the smallest power, so n equal 2. The answer is 3 to the power 2, so n equal 2. Next, 24. The decimal expansion of the rational number 14587 by 1250 will terminate after 14587 by 8 into 125. Clear? 150 into 4 into 4. Clear? Not clear? Okay. Then 14587 by 1250. 1250. 2 5 5250 550 525 52. Clear? 5 to the 4 into 2. Clear? Next 5 to the 4 to the power 1. 4 greater than 1. Clear? 24 answer will terminate after 4 place. After 4 place. Terminate after 4 place. Terminate after 4 place. 24 answer D. Whose power is greater? 2 and 5 factor. Whose power is greater after the terminal this place? That's the answer. Greater power is the answer. Greater power is the answer. Terminate after 4 place. 25. $25. 3.27 bar is dash equal 3 plus 27 by 99. 99 into 3. 297. 297 plus 27. 324 by 99. Rational. 25. 3.27 bar is a rational number. Is a rational number. Clear? Is a rational number. Rational number. Be the right answer. Next. Next 26. The LCM and HCF of two rational numbers are equal. The number must be dash. LCM equal HCF. A number equal other number. Other number. Because LCM into HCF equal the product of two numbers. So, if LCM equal HCF, a number equal other must be other number. Equal must be other number. Answer 26D. When LCM equal HCF, then a number equal other number. Because LCM into HCF equal product of two number. 27. The sum LCM HCF two number is 1260. LCM plus HCF equal 1260. 1260. Their LCM is 900 more than HCF. LCM minus HCF equal 900. Then the product of two number. Then product of two number is product of LCM into HCF. Clear? Now we find what is the LCM and what is the HCF. Then LCM. LCM equal 1260 plus 900 divided by 2. HCF (180). Then product of two number, product of PRODUCT, product of two number equal LCM into HCF, 1080 and 180, 001944, 194400. Answer B. Answer B the right answer. Next 28. The ratio of LCM and HCF of two of the least composite number is LCM, HCF. The ratio HCF. The ratio of LCM and HCF the least composite number, four, and the least prime number 2, 1, 2 to the 4, LCM 4, HCF 2, ratio 2:1, 2:1. 28 answer, be the right answer. The ratio of LCM and HCF the least composite number and the least prime number. HCF 2, LCM 2 to the 4, LCM is to HCF. Next 29. Prime factors of denominator of a rational number with decimal expansion 44123. 44123 equal 44123 by 1000. Clear? 29. Prime factors denominator. Prime factors 1000. Prime factor 1000. 2 500. 2 250. 2 125. 5 25. 5 5 equal 44123 by 2q into 5q. 29. Decimal extent for are 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 29. Prime factors of denominator. Prime factor of denominator of this decimal number 2 and 5. Prime factor 2 and 5. Answer C the right answer. Next 30. A square equal 23 by 25. Then A is dash. Then A is A equal 23 by 25 root over root 23 by 5. Clear? Irrational number by rational number equal irrational number. Irrational number divided rational number equal irrational number. 30. irrational number. Answer A is a irrational number. A is a irrational number. Answer B. Next, number 31. Next, number 31. LCM x 18 equal 36. HCF x 18 equal to, then x is dash. LCM into HCF equal product of two number. So x equal HCF into LCM into HCF by other number 18. X equal 4. 31. Answer C. Next, number 32. If the sum of two number is 12,115, sum of two number 1215, HCF 81, then the possible number of pairs of each number. Then the possible of number of pairs such number is, whose HCF is 81. Clear? Sum of two number, let 81A plus 81B equal 1215. The number must be multiple of HCF. 81A plus 81B equal 1215. 81 common. A plus B is equal to 1215. A plus B is equal to 1215 by 81 equal 15. A plus B equal 15. Then pair. Clear? Pair. A plus B equal 15. A plus B equal 15. 11A, 11B. A equal 14. 81 into 14. Clear? 81 pair. First we will pair. 14 1, 13 2. Clear? 11 13 2. Prime number. So both are co-prime. 14 1, 14 plus 1 15. 13 2, both are 13 plus 2 15. Co-prime. Then 11 3. Then 8 and 7. Clear? This pair. 13 plus 2 15. 11 plus 3. 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4. 18 plus 7. Both co-prime. Clear? 81 into 14. 81 into 1. 13. 81 into 13. 81 into 2. 81 into 11. 81 into 4. Then 81 into 8. 81 and 7. These four pairs whose HCF is 81. These four pairs. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 32 answer is C. The sum of two numbers is 1215 and there is 81. Then the possible number the possible number pair of such number is 4 pair. 4 pair. Next 33. If the LCM 2 prime number is P, LCM of a 2 prime number, LCM of 2 prime number P, LCM of 2 prime number of P and Q is 2 to 1, LCM of 2 prime number, LCM of a 2 prime number, 2 prime number, LCM of 2 prime number P and Q is equal to 2 to 1. P greater than Q, P greater than Q, then the value of 3P minus Q, 3P minus Q, LCM of PQ equal to 21, P greater than Q, PQ are prime number, PQ are prime number, 2 to 1, clear? Thirteen. Seventeen. 13 and 17. Clear? 13 and 17. P 17, Q 13. LCM of PQ 221. P equal 17, Q equal 13. Clear? Then 3P minus Q, 3P minus Q. Answer is 38. Option is C the right answer. Next 34. The smallest number by which 1 by 13 should be multiplied so that its decimal expansion terminates after 2 place. Terminates after 2 place. What is the value of x? Clear? Then x equal 1 by 100 into 13. Answer is 13 by 100. 34 answer A. Its decimal expansion terminates after 2 decimal places. So answer is 1 by 100. 2 place terminate after 2 place. So 1 by 100. Clear? $35. Any one of the number a plus 2, a plus 4. Any one. The question is any one of the number a plus 2 and a plus 4 is multiple of dash. Multiple of. Suppose a equal 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 4, 5. A equal 2. Then 2 to 4, 2, 4, 6. 3 and 6 is multiple of 3. So answer is 3. Clear? So any one of the number 3 and 6 is multiple of 3. So answer is B. Answer is 3. Because 3 and 6 are multiple of 3. Any one of the number a plus to a plus is a multiple of 3. 3 and 6 3 and 6 are multiple of 3. So answer is B, the right answer. Next 36. If the LCM of A and 18, LCM A 18, LCM of A and 18 is 36. HCF of A and 18, HCF of A and 18 is 2. Then A equal dash. LCM into HCF equal product of two numbers. LCM into HCF equal product of two numbers. So A equal 36 into 2. 36 in LCM into HCF by A. Clear? Okay. A and 2. LCM of A and 18. LCM of A and 18 36. HCF of A and 18. A and 18 equal 2. 36 into 2 divided by 18. 18. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. And A equal 4. Answer C. Next 37. P and Q co-prime number. P and Q co-prime. P and Q are co-prime number, then P square Q square. P square and Q square and Q square. Let P equal 5 square and 6 square. 25 and 36 also co-prime. P and Q are co-prime number, then P square Q square also co-prime. Answer A. Let P equal 5, Q equal 6, P square Q square 25 and 36 also co-prime. P and Q co-prime, then P square and Q square also co-prime. Next 38. If 3 is the least prime factor of number A and 7, 3 is the least prime factor. Clear? 3 is the least prime factor. A and 7 is the least prime factor of number B. Clear? 3 is the least prime factor of number A. Number A's least prime factor 3. And 7 is the least prime factor number B is 7. Then the least prime factor A plus B 10 to 5. So A plus B equal 10. 10's prime factor 10 is equal to 2 into 5. Least factor 2 is the least factor. least. Answer A is the clear. A plus B 3 is to 3 plus 7 equal 10. 10 equal 2 into 5. Least prime factor 2. Question is which is the least prime factor of A and B? A plus B. A equal 3, B equal 7. A plus B equal 10. Which is the least prime factor of A and A plus B? Answer is 2. Option A is the right answer. Next 39. The smallest number by which root over 27, the smallest number by which root 27 should be multiplied so that get a rational number. 27, 9 into 3 root over 3 root 3 into root 3. Answer is root 3. Clear? Root 3 root 3 root 3 into root 3. The smallest number root 7 should be multiplied which is so get a rational number. Answer is root 3. Root 3. 27 into root 3 is equal to 81 equal to 9. Answer is 9. Root 3 3 into 3 3 into 3 equal 9. Answer is root 3. The smallest number which root 27 should be multiplied also get a rational number. Answer is root 3. Option C the right answer. Next number 40. The smallest rational number by which 1 by 3 should multiply it so that decimal expansion terminates after one place. X equal 1 by 10 into 3. Answer is 3 by 10. Number 40 is the right answer.